Let's walk through updating your Credit Detailer to version 1906. You want to start off at visiting CreditDetailer.com and click on Update. Here you'll see a couple lines of information about how to update this process. This video will also walk you through it. Essentially, you're going to download a file, copy it into your Credit Detailer folder, and then import your data from an older version. To do this, you want to visit the Download page, scroll down till you see the files, and because you already have Credit Detailer, you could just download File Only version 1906. When you click on this, just click the download icon in the corner, and the file's been downloaded. Open up the file. You do want to read the how to use this file text. It basically says to do the steps in this video. Download the file, copy it, put it into there, and use these buttons to import, and then make a shortcut on your desktop. So let's do that. First, you start off by copying this file. You then want to go to your Credit Detailer folder and paste it. And there it is. Next, double click to open it up. Even if it's in demo mode, you can still import your data. Click on Settings, click on Auto Backup, and notice the Import from Backup button. Click on this and it'll open a new page. This is a two-step process. The first step is selecting the file you want to back up from and then clicking Run. So let's click the first button, which says Step 1. We will go to our Credit Detailer folder. You can either select a backup, and we recommend choosing the most recent backup, or you may also choose from the data folder the backend.dat file. Either one will work. In our case, we're going to use the backend.dat file. Notice that it makes a copy of the original file. It will not delete or harm the original file. So it does make a copy, then click Step 2 to import. It will ask you to confirm twice because it will overwrite everything in the current database you downloaded. Depending on how many client records you have, it'll take a few minutes to run. It tells us the import is complete and our clients are in there. Before we can see the data, you must enter the activation code. In our case, we're going to use demo code 19 if we don't know our real code, because we can look it up for you later. So feel free to use this if you need to for the time being. Enter your email address and click Activate. It'll tell you this is activated. If you do get any issues with activation, you may want to try doing one extra step, which I'll show you in just a moment. Login is with your normal password from the older file. If you did have trouble during activation, you can go to the settings page, go to activation, and click Revalidate Activation Code. It may already have you activated in our system and activate you if needed. If you still experience troubles, feel free to email or call our team so that we can assist you. You've successfully imported and upgraded version 1906. The last step would be to make a shortcut on your desktop because you only downloaded the file. To do this, you can take the existing shortcut right click and say Properties, and if you notice the file name, you just want to change it from Credit Detailer to credit_1906 and hit Apply. I missed the letter in here, so it's Credit 1906 and then hit Apply. Then hit OK. Now when I launch the shortcut, we should see version 1906 at the top after we log in. And there's version 1906, build date June 29th. Thank you, and thanks for watching.